Good morning student Sairam. As you all know, in previous video we study the topper's copy of examination 2019. So half of the topper's copy we have completed. In the previous video we already discussed the three sections of this question paper. Now in this video, we will start from the question number 20, and which is explain any 5 characteristics of coordination, or the another optional question is explain any 5 characteristics of management. So the characteristics of coordinations are integrate group efforts, ensure utility of actions, it is a pervasive, it is a continuous, and it helps us to coordinate efforts of different individuals. Same as in the characteristics of management, we have 6 characteristics, like it is a continuous process, it is a group activities, its main motive is to achieve goal, it is all pervasive functions, it works on a dynamic nature, in a dynamic environment. So all these are the characteristics of management. Now the next question is, Vikas was the chief operating officer of Yelet Limited, a company providing advanced software solution to Indian Defence Services. They had been carrying on business successfully for the last 12 years and earning enough profit. But from the last 1 year, they realized that though the business is getting big, orders which are being fulfilled in time, even then the revenue kept on decreasing. Vikas was not able to find out where the problem was. He started keeping a close check on the progress of activities, as he could sense that something was wrong. He wanted to take some action before any major damage could be done to the business. Vikas appointed a cyber security expert who monitored the company's processes and find out that the company operator was deleting the entries from the computer and pocketing the revenue. He was caught and handed over to the police. This created an atmosphere of order and discipline in the organization and helped in the minimizing dishonest behavior on the part of the employee. So the question is, identify the function of management which is highlighted in the above paragraph. And next one is explain any other way which the function of management help the organization. So students, when we find out the deviation, then it comes under the function of controlling. So it is the last function of management which is controlling, which help us to find out the deviation, the problem which is not matched with our standard work. Okay, now next one is, next question is, but Pushpanjali Limited is manufacturing chocolate, biscuits, cakes and other similar product. The company is not generating enough profit. Saurabh, the marketing manager of a company, got a survey conducted to find out the reason. The findings of the survey really revealed that in spite of better quality, the customer was not able to distinguish the product of a company from the competitor. Though the customers wanted to buy the product of Pushpanjali Limited again and again because of its good quality, but they were not able to identify the product in the market. Because of this, the sale of the company could not pick up, resulting in an inadequate profit. Saurabh, the marketing manager, now realized that the Pushpanjali Limited has forgotten to take one of the important decisions related to the product. So student, they are talking about the product, means product mix, means it is a part of marketing mix. Though what decision should the Pushpanjali Limited take so that the customer are able to identify its product in the market. So how can we which help us to find out any product? Product branding. Yes, product brand, product logo, all these is very essential to identify the product. So the most important decision related to the product mix is branding, which is not continue or acceptable by the company or done by the company. Now benefits of and the other benefits of branding is it is helpful in product differentiation, it is easy in introduction of new product. Now next question, look student, in this question the topper is also wanted to explain the answer with the picture, like the Nike logo and the Apple logo. There are two brands. So if we know the brand name, the brand logo, it is very easy or comfortable for us to find out our product. If we want to purchase an Apple laptop, so by identifying that picture, that logo, we can easily find out, or I can easily find out our product in many of similar product. Now next question is, explain the following technique of scientific management. Now number one is time study, second motion study, third functional foremanship. And next or the optional question is, explain the following principle of journal management. Division of work, authority and responsibility, and discipline. All these topics are very easy. Time study means which is helpful to identify the average time which is taken by the employees to complete a task. And motion study is very essential to find out the average or the time which is actually wasted by the employee. So it is very helpful to remove the wastage of time. Next one is functional foremanship. Functional foremanship contain 8 bosses, 8 clerks, which is very helpful to study the employees' work or the workers every activity, like to give instruction, to give them a ready environment to work, to guide them to find out the average, or to note down the average time that they take, the method they use, everything. Now next question is, E-Solution Limited started its operation in the year 2000. At the time of its inspection, the company had only 10 employees with 2 departments, a production department and the administration department. The product supplied and the service provided by the company started gaining popularity over the year. The management had faith in the ability of the employees, and thus they allowed them freedom to action. The management recognized that the decision maker at the different level of the organization need to be given more autonomy. They took a policy decision that there will be a less control of supervisor over subordinate. This increased the role of the subordinate in the organization, and now they were in a position to take numerous as well as important decisions. As a result, its business has diversified into many areas. Presently, it has its operation throughout the country with 7 branches overseas. Its organizational structure has now changed into a divisional structure, and 10,000 people are working with the company. Identify the concept. The concept is decentralization, means when we distribute or divide our power from top level to lower level, so that they do their work easily and take every decision individually. Next question is, Entertainment Limited India has been incorporated with the objective of training people by organizing festival programs and other similar events despite the rich culture heritage of the country. The company management has renowned personality from the field of art, lecture and culture. They decided to give a platform to young budding musician, poet and the artist. The company decided to organizational structure by grouping the similar job together. Student, they are talking about the grouping of similar tasks, means like a departmentalization. Okay, they decided to give a platform to the young budding musician, poets, artists. The company decided to its organizational structure by grouping similar job together. Thereafter, the heads of the different department were also appointed. Nisha, one of the head, did an analysis of number and type of the number and type and qualification necessary for the people to be appointed. Student, they are talking about staffing. Now the information generated in the process of writing the job description and the candidate profile was used to develop situation vacant advertisement. This was published in print media and flashed in electronic media. This brought in a flood of response. Explain the other steps which the Nisha has to perform complete the process. The process is, which processes they are talking about? They are talking about the staffing, means putting a right person on a right place. So the rest of the steps are selection, placement and orientation, training and development, performance appraisal, promotion and career planning, and last one is compensation. So students, we have completed the toppers copy. Thank you, Sairam.